Good morning, guys. I'm sorry to say this, but happy Sunday, guys. Happy Sunday. Today is actually Sunday, and this is the only clip that I'm going to make on this week's episode of me trading a 5K account, guys. Like, I'm still at work, guys. As you can see, I'm still at the same spot. I haven't left here since 2 weeks, and now, so I've been working. Forex is not paying the bill now. Although, I'm still seeing progress on forex, but it's not paying the bill now. So I have to work to pay the bill. So I'm still at work. So I couldn't cover up to make a VA to document my journey this week as I normally do. But I just want to do this video to give you guys quick recap on how I traded this. Is it this week or last week? Because today is Sunday. That thing is actually confusing me. I don't know if Sunday is part of the previous week or Sunday is part of the new week. I don't even know. But let's say I just want to give you guys a quick recap of how I traded last week or this week, anyone, but how I traded for the past 7 days. Because okay, let me put it this way. I just want to give you guys quick recap on how I traded this week. So that's it. I took 5 trades this week. This is my P&L here. This is my P&L here. I took 5 trades. Okay, I know that you are seeing 7 trades there. You are seeing 7 trades, right? That USD CHF and Euro USD. It was the one of last week. The 2 trades that I swung into this week. There are those 2 trades that I swing into this week. So they are not part of this week's trade. This week I actually took 5 trades. I will cut it out and show you guys. I officially took 5 trades this week, and it was 1 win, 1 loss, and 3 break even. And I didn't even make money this week. This week was a kind of break even because I reduced my risk to 2.5%. to 0.25%. I reduced my risk to 0.25% when I took a GBP USD trade on Tuesday, and it was a break even. Then on Wednesday, I saw a trade on USD CHF. I was still risking 0.25%, and I entered the trade, and the trade was a TP, and it gave me an equity because anytime my balance is lowered, like anytime I goes in drawdown above 5% or a little bit or less than 0.5% to 5%, I used to reduce my risk to 0.25%. So I reduced my risk on USD CHF. So I risked 0.25%, and it managed to be a TP, bringing me back up for me to be risking 0.5%. So I made $29 on that USD CHF buy because I was risking 0.25% to make 5%. I was risking 0.25% to make 0.5%. 1:2. So on Thursday, since I was up, I'm up to be risking 0.5%. Then I took a trade on Euro USD and USD CHF again. I risked 0.5% on the 2 trades. Then the Euro USD hit my stop loss. Then I lost the whole money I made on USD CHF. The Euro USD hit my stop loss. Then the USD CHF hit my break even. It went about 1:1 and came back to stop me out. So that's it on Thursday. Then that's making me to be on break even. Then on Friday I took a trade on USD card. I took a sell trade on USD card. The trade went about 1.5 hour, above 1.5 hour, 1.5 hour, and reversed and hit my break even again. So that's it, guys. Trading is not easy, and it is taking me so long to pass this account. Now currently under my 5k account, I'm down 4 points, a little bit more than 4.5% in drawdown, but I'm not even losing hope on that account. Trust me. I'm not even losing hope. See, a very good week like this can bring me back into breaking, but you won't understand. I'm like, I know I'm still broke, I'm poor, right? But I'm still poor, but I've known the nooks and cranny of my strategy. Like, I doesn't even feel anyhow. I know I will not lose that account. I will pass that account, phase 1 and phase 2, start making profit. Like that account, as long as fundedness is still live, unless I want to change my mind and say let me quit forex. But if I didn't quit forex, if I'm still in the game, that's 5k account, I will keep documenting it. Instead of me not to document it, I will change my plan and start doing it like this. Like, I will start just at the end of the week, I will come and give you guys a recap. But as long as I'm a forex trader and fundedness is still live, and fundedness doesn't quit, that account won't get blown. Trust me. Or let's say my strategy stopped working, but at this point where I'm in drawdown, and this shitty drawdown, I know that my strategy is still working. The only thing that makes my strategy that will make me to say okay, my strategy has stopped working is this: if I manage to blow that 5k account, I say okay, this my strategy has become a shit. But I know that will not happen. That will not just stick around. Trust me, if you just want to gain confidence on this forex trading, just stick around my channel. Anytime that I will manage to pass that phase 1 and phase 2 and get a withdrawal on this account that is going up and down like this, you will be shocked. Like, because the thing is this is the strategy that I've backtested 5 years back. I've backtested this 5 years back, and I've traded this 2 years front. Like, I've been trading this for 2 years, and I've backtested this 5 years. Like, I found out this. I found this strategy in 2023. In beginning of 2023, I was trading it. I was trading the strategy while backtesting it back. And the strategy was making me profit, and I was backtesting it and seeing the same results. So you can't confit this. I have backtested, and the backtesting I journaled it. This thing that is happening on this account now, if I bring my journal, I think around 2019, I had this type of result on my journal when I wasn't able to make profit till 4 months for a year to end, till like September. I started making it big. So I don't even care. I will keep trading my model anytime I see my setup, and this strategy is very, very simple. Anytime I see my setup, I will execute it. Let's allow the edge to play out. I'm not gambling here, and I'm not doing a guesswork here, and I doesn't wake up in the morning deciding if I should trade or not. It's the market that decides for me. If a day before the day I will be trading, I've already checked my charts and know if I should trade or not. And let me tell you for one thing, the day that I will check my charts and I won't see a trade the next day, I will even be happy, because it will make me be less busy for the day, for the other day, because I does other work. Then if I wouldn't be trading like on Monday now, I might not be trading, but I won't even be trading on Monday. Like tomorrow now, I won't see a setup. I've none. So I will drop my phone, forget anything about forex, and focus on my work. And I will come back in the evening to check if I will be trading tomorrow. And I will, like, let's say I will not be trading on Monday, right? And on Monday evening, I will check and know the pairs I will be trading tomorrow. That's how my strategy works, and I like it. Even though it has a low win rate, or as I keep repeating it has a low win rate. So I know it has a low win rate, but I know I will pass this account. Like, it might be a month, like a very good month like this, I will pass the phase 1 and phase 2 with this strategy. Like a month, I've been trading this account for more than 4 months now, but a month can make me pass this phase 1 and phase 2. A month. So that's it. Let's keep watching, sha. And the month you will even be thinking that I changed strategy. I didn't change strategy. So I doesn't really want this video to be long like that. I just want to show you guys my P&L and how I traded, and I've explained how I traded. On Tuesday, I took a sell on GBP USD. It was a break even. On Wednesday, I took a sell on USD CHF. It was a TP. On Thursday, I took on Wednesday I took a buy on USD CHF. It was a TP. On Thursday, I took a buy on USD CHF and I took a sell on Euro USD. The sell on Euro USD was a stop loss. The buy on USD CHF was a break even. Then on Friday, I took a sell on USD CAD and it was a break even too. So that's it, guys. This is the channel. I will catch you guys next week. Probably next week. Let's see how next week goes. I must come back to my initial way of documenting the thing, but let's see how next week, if we can finish this work. But I promise you guys, I will show you guys the work I does next week. I will tell you guys the work I does, because the where I'm working is not far from this uncompleted building. But I will show you guys the work I does. Peace out. And if you can guess the work I does, fine. But I will show you guys. It doesn't fetch me a lot money. Even if the work I does now, I will quit it. Like, I will stop doing it. Even if I didn't stop it because of forex, I will stop it and look for another thing to do, because the work I doesn't fetch me a lot of money like that. It's crazy. It's crazy. A lot of things are happening behind the screen, but we keep going, man. We keep going. I will catch you guys. This video is becoming too long. I just see we doesn't work on Sunday, but we sleep here because it is outside. I went outside. We sleep here, so I've been sleeping since morning. I woke up and decided to do this video. Anyways, so I will catch you guys next week. Let's hope for a better week, sha. But even me, I'm down a little, but it doesn't bother me. It doesn't bother me as much as it bothers you. It is my account, but it bothers you more than it bothers me. So that's it. I will catch you guys.